Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix MultiVersus is not launching or working on PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do if you haven't already is to click the Play Free Now option. And these are the platforms that you can choose to play MultiVersus: PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series, Steam, and Epic Games Launcher. And also, if you haven't already, sign up to your account. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you are experiencing issues with the MultiVersus not launching or not working properly on your PC, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Number one, the most important thing is you want to make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirement for MultiVersus. You can usually find these requirements on the game's store page or official website. And again, from your end, check your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. As you can see, this is the system minimums requirement. But of course, these are the recommended requirements for you to be able to play MultiVersus without any problems. And that being said, you might want to go and check if you have the updated graphics drivers, because as we all know, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause to fail to launch or have graphical issues. Update your graphics driver to the latest version from the manufacturer's website if you're using AMD or Intel. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so I went here at the GeForce Experience, and all I have to do is click on the Get Game Ready Drivers or Studio Drivers, try to restart my computer, relaunch the game if that would work. Now, the next option is, now if you are playing the game through a platform like Steam or Epic Game Store, verify the integrity of the game files. Now from Steam, all you have to do is right click on the MultiVersus on your library right here, go to Properties, Local Files, and then verify integrity of game files. And from there, try to relaunch the MultiVersus to see if that works for you. Now, you might want to check if your firewall is not the one causing the problem, because sometimes your firewall might be blocking MultiVersus from launching. And I suggest you temporarily disable them or add MultiVersus to the exception list to see if it resolves the issue. Alternatively, you might want to do that as well to your antivirus as well. And again, your antivirus might be blocking MultiVersus from launching. And like your firewall, temporarily disable them or add MultiVersus to the exceptions list to see if it resolves the issue. Alright? Now the thing is, if none of the above steps work, you might want to contact the MultiVersus support center. Alright? Now you might want to hover to the FAQs. But if you can't see the solution to your problem, hover down below where it says submit a request. And from here, all I have to do is type in your problem. Okay. That's going to be here. And after that, see if there's an answer from the support staff. Of course, you have to wait because your questions might be on queue. Alternatively, while waiting, you might want to join the MultiVersus official Discord server. They have like 230,000 members and active users on the server channel. Now, all they're going to do is post the question on not launching or working the MultiVersus game on your PC, and one of them members might have a solution or have encountered that same problem in the past. Of course, they would give you insights and troubleshooting guidelines on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.